inequality statement of the basic proportionality. So you know that it's a triangle. ABC is a triangle. If a line is drawn parallel, that is DE is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle, the line intersects the other two sides at two distant points. Then the line divides the other two sides in the same ratio. AD by DB is equal to what? AE by DC. So this is Thales theorem and this is called BPT. We discussed in the last class and I have given the homework. I really happy all of you done that. 5 triangles and different positions in parallel lines and how to write the BPT formula. It's very fine. Today we are going to prove this theorem by logical method. By how? Let us see. Before going to prove, we should know some important concept. So write down this note. Because to prove this theorem, we have to understand this concept. It's very important. First imagine there is a street road like this. It is parallel, you know that. And these are the street lights. I will write in zigzag. And you tie at threads or put a rangoli, whatever it will be, like this. This is one triangle. Next, here also I will tie this. You observe this is 2 triangles are there. You shade it. Here also. This is one triangle. Here there are 2 triangles. Can you tell which is common here? Observe this. For both the triangle, which is common? Base. Base is common because both the triangles are standing on the same base. And also, another is common. Both are standing between the same parallel lines. And height is also common. See. Here the 2 triangles standing on same base between same parallels. So base and height are common. Both are same. And what about their areas? So this is one triangle ABC. Then this is another triangle BC. Both are standing on the same base. But what about this area means? Equal, because base and height are same. Area of triangle ABC equals area of triangle BDC. ABC and BDC. Here, note down this. Write down quickly. See here. Here, this is one triangle ABC. This is another triangle BCD. ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಬೇಸಲ್ಲಿ between same triangles. What is area of a triangle? Half into B Indian. Here also half into B Indian. Base and height are same for both the triangles. That's why the areas are equal. Now I think this is ABC. This is ABC. Here the pink color triangle ABC. The yellow cut triangle BCD. Both are standing on same base and same parallels. The areas are equal. Okay. So this concept we have to apply for the theorem. So this is statement. Triangles standing on same base between same parallels are equal in areas. Okay. Okay, I think I will have this because I think you have copied this. Next, this is a triangle ABC. If BC is taken as base, the height is from opposite vertices, that is A. So what is the formula of area of a triangle? Means half into base into height. Half into, which is base here, BC, which is height here, A. Similarly, we can take base as AB because there are three sides. If base has AB, then height is drawn from C, that is C. Now what is the formula of area of this triangle is half into, which is base here, AB, into which is height, C. Whatever we try, half into base into height. So what about in case of obtuse angle triangle? See, I will draw a triangle like this. P, Q, R. Here, let us take it QR is a base, which is height. Height means altitude, it is perpendicular. So, which is the opposite vertex is P. So, you draw perpendicular like this. And here one more thing, the base should be produced. You have to produce our base. And this is PM. Here PM is taken as height. Here what is the area of triangle PQR? Means half into, here base is what? QR. Height is what? P. Now the area of triangle PQR is half into base is QR, height is P. So we should know how to write the areas for both types of triangles. And can tell students for this A, B, M. If I take AM as base, which is the height, from where we have to draw B as root. So this is B. So this is an height. So note down these diagrams. So I think you are clear this. Triangle standing on same base, it is same parallels or equal area, and how to write the area of a triangle is important for both the triangles. For obtuse angle triangle, if I give like this here, for example, this is obtuse. If I write like this also obtuse. B, C, D. Here which is the opposite vertex is C. Here we have to draw perpendicular. And this is extended. Here which is base BD, which is height, let's see B. So this is the height. So what is the area of triangle BCD? Half into base is what? BD into height is what? C. Half into base is BD. I have taken BD as base. What about height? C please. Okay. This is very important for the examination point of question 4 marks. Write down, state and prove basic proportionality theorem. State and prove basic proportionality theorem. So the question is state and prove. So first statement you can write afterwards. Already yesterday we discussed the statement. If they ask in the exam, you should write down statement also. Statement of remember. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, to intersect the other two sides at distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. I think you know the statement. So prove. So first I will write diagram. So write a triangle A, B, C. It's a triangle. So we know in the theorem, the first step is data on a given. In triangle, what ABC. So this is a point D. Here is a point E, which is points. This is what? Parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. See, ABC is a triangle. So this is the line. DE parallel to BC. This is that. What is to prove? AD by DB is equal to AE by BC. Connection. So next you write down to prove AD by DB is equal to what? AE by BC. So I already told that note concept. Here there are one triangle is there ADE. I want to write down the area of this triangle and we will take another triangle common. So these two are two different bases. AD and BD are two, because D is not a midpoint. AD and BD are two bases here. So we have to make a construction to get a height. Because area of a triangle is what? Half into base into height. So in diagram there is no height. That's why I do construction. So the next step is construction. Before this. So we draw perpendicular. Draw taking area as a base. So draw EM perpendicular to A. Here from E. And also DM here also. DM perpendicular to A. So these are the two perpendicular lines. And join B and C. So this is the construction. So join B and yes. Now you observe the triangles, pair of triangles having AD and DB as bases. That side A and E is as bases. Here AD is here. So where is AD? Here. So take down this triangle. So next is roof. So take down the upward triangle here. You write down the formula of area of triangle AD. Area of triangle AD. That divided by another triangle is there. This one having BD as base. BD. That is, you take the ratio. Area of triangle. So this is area of triangle AD. Here this is taken as base. AD is taken as base. So this is height. From EN is drawn perpendicular. See AD. C A B E yellow EN is height. So I write down the formula for numerator part half into which is base AD into which is height EN, that divided by half into, write down this, observe the pink color triangle. B, B. Here in this triangle, which is base BD, which is height S, it is drawn from E, should be produced. N is the height. So for both the triangles, the height is common. ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಗೂ ಹೈಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಆಗಿದೆ. ADಗೂ ENA ಹೈಟ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಬೈ ಡಿ, ಬಟ್ BDಗೂ ಹೈಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ENA ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಬೇಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ BD into EN. EN what? Cancel. Half of also cancel. Therefore, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE equals AD by B. All this equation 1. That's all. Similarly, you write down the formula for taking A and EC as base. That's all. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಲೇಟ್ ಭಯಪಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. AD ಬೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು DB ತಗೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದು A. You write down for this triangle area of triangle AEC by this triangle. Area of triangle DEC. Okay, right here equals half into which is base AES. We have to think like this: A, like this, A, E, E. This is base, but which is height EM into DM. That divided by for DEC, orange color triangle. DEC. So which is height? Base is EC, but which is height? Same. DM is height. Here also half of DM. For this triangle, EAD is common height. For these two triangles, EAD triangle, DM is the common height. DM cancel. So what is remaining? AE by EC. Now we call this equation 2. So this is equation 2. So what is equation 1? Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE equals AD by BD. This triangle and this triangle. And what is equation 2? Area of triangle AEC by area of triangle DEC equals what? AE by EC. We observe both the triangles. Observe the LHS part. Which part? LHS. Sorry, this is AED, not AEC, not triangles. This is AED, same. Observe the LHS part. This is ADE. In the second equation also LHS is AED. But in RHS, denominator is BDE. Here the denominator is what? CDE. But you know that the triangles, what we discussed in the note, you see, the triangles, same base, see here. They are standing on the same base. Which one? BDE, this one. Another triangle, DEC. Both the triangles are standing on what? Same base. Yes, see, observe the triangle here. Triangle BDE and triangle DEC. Both the triangles are standing on the same base. Areas are equal. So these two are equal means LHS part equal. So the remaining RHS part also equal. For example, see, I will write 5 is equal to 4 plus 1. 5 is equal to 3 plus 2, alright. Next step I will write like this, 4 plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 2. Because LHS equal means RHS also equal. Similarly here, there are two areas of triangles, AD by DB and another triangle DAC, but both the triangles are equal here. That is what BDE and DEC. They are standing on the what? Same base between same parallel. So the areas are equal. That's why LHS are equal. So I will drop this portion. So you write on this area of triangle ADE equals area of triangle BDE. In reason part, you write down triangles standing on same base between same parallels are equal in area. Therefore, from 1 and 2, what is RHS part? AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. Hence the theorem is proved. So only thing, we have to identify the what? Triangles, height and base by seeing the question itself. Question note kodi. AD by DB ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, AD ನ ಬೇಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ EN height ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, DB ನ ಬೇಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು EN height ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, AE ನ ಬೇಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ DM height ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, EC ನ ಬೇಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು DM height ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಗಳು ಏರಿಯಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್